Ooh, my courtesy ride. First of all, the peanut butter seats. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's bright and early. Look at me, 2 days in a row. 2 days in a row. We are on a freaking roll right now. So I want to start the video off. There's something that's at the back of the dealership that I've been wanting to look at for a while, and we're gonna go check it out today. Shamar here, say hello.
What's up?
Hello. Shamar's gonna be on the channel a lot. We're gonna be filming at work from now on and having a good time and just giving you guys a little bit of behind the scenes. Don't show up to my job. You show up to my job, I'm cussing you out. Anyway, sorry, I had to get that and put that out. There's a car that I wanted to look at today, and we're gonna go take a look at this. If I can get the door open. What the hell is going on here? And I don't know how long this has been here, but this is like, I almost dropped my camera in there. Look at this. Like completely, like this isn't like partially burned down. This is like 100%. Only thing left is the metal and the, but it's so weird to be able to see like what the inside of the seats look like and stuff. Airbags, all the wiring and stuff. Have you ever like actually looked in here at it? You've never been over here and looked at it?
Oh, dude, this is crazy. Like crazy. This had to be like a 2016 though.
Anybody want some 22-inch Cadillac wheels? I bet you could still use the wheels. Well, no, maybe not. They might be kind of, nah, maybe not. I don't know. Tail lights are gone. Look at this tail light. Look at this. Look, it's like completely like, that's so crazy. So from what Shamar was telling me, a gentleman was driving down the interstate and somehow something cut the gas tank. Something on the road cut the gas tank and the car went up in flames, and then that was it. And it completely just burnt through. Is this the gas? Look at the door on the, that's so crazy. I'm like a kid in a candy store right now. I've never seen anything like this before. Everything is just completely trashed. Obviously, rightfully so, the car burnt down. But great way to start the morning off with a little show and tell. And this just sits at the back of the dealership back here, because I'm assuming they towed it back here and then it's just sat here ever since. Probably 16, 17, something like that. I'm surprised they didn't take the engine out of it. But I mean, I guess there's no reason to. There's probably nothing in there that you could save.
It's melted.
That's so crazy. I bet those, I wonder if the heat wrap on those wires worked. Look at the battery. The battery is like just a block of, I don't even want to say because I'm going to sound stupid.
I'm going to say well over 1,000.
Couple thousand, yeah. Maybe? I wonder if the, well look, they had to tie that door shut. So, oh, I'm scared. I think the door's going to fall off.
Something's going to jump out at you.
Is that like cloth or something? I don't know. Let's get a thumbnail and get out of here. Peanut butter seats. I actually like that. Like the caramel peanut butter, whatever the hell they got going on in here.
Nice.
Thomas's new tires came in already.
Hell yeah. That's not a whole lot taller than yours already.
Not really. 37, what, 1350s?
Yeah.
It looks good though. I'm excited to see him on the truck.
I love that tread pattern.
We're going fishing. Look, Ted. What up, Ted? Ted. What's up?
What's going on?
You ready to go fishing?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Did you bring a rod?
No, I was gonna stop at Walmart for that one.
Dang. All right. Yeah, we'll get rigged up real quick and then we'll go. If you guys remember from yesterday's video, it's all cleaned up now, which I don't know. I kind of like that muddy look. That muddy look, I mean, I know that's kind of stupid, but the muddy look does look really good. No, I don't dip. I've never dipped or smoked or nicotine or everything in my life, but when we go fishing, it's all about the sunflower seeds. It's all about the sunflower seeds. You gotta have some. We go fishing, we got sunflower seeds, and that's what we're gonna do today. So I got the boys here. Ted, obviously, the Black Brigade. Y'all follow him on Instagram. Hummer, H2. Oh look, y'all are matching. That's cute. That's cute. Look at these guys matching. I'm gonna switch over to the GoPro. I'll see you guys at the pond. Oh, that's fucking frustrating. It was a huge bass. Literally, as we were switching batteries, or as we were switching SD cards from the GoPro to the bigger camera, something huge just made the biggest swirl right in front of us as our backs were turned. Heartbreaking, absolutely heartbreaking. Got him, got him, got him. Oh, Heartbreak City today. Absolute Heartbreak City today. That's 3 times. Did you get that on camera?
I did.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna get roasted in the comments today. Absolutely roasted in the comments today. Look, something just hit the water over there. There, got him, got him. He does, I don't know what to do anymore. I really don't. They're taking it under the water and then letting it go. That's what they're doing.
No, it's just the 3rd inning and 0-0.
They're playing games with me. The only way to drown my sorrows for today was to show up at the good old Krispy Kreme, and yes, the hot and ready sign is on. Yes, sir. Right? Exactly. The only way to just make the rest of my day worth it. What do we got today? We got the, what would you call it? It's not peanut butter. This is just black.
Just black. Just black.
Just the black guts today. Oh. The black interior. I'm gonna show you guys something new I've been working on real quick before we end off the video today. You started the video off with me, and now you're gonna end the video off with me today.
Yeah.
So privileged, huh? You like that?
I like the build, but I get what you're saying.
Yeah, so this is the new prototype hat that I've been working on. I've got a black one, but I don't have the black one with me right now. So, you know, red mesh, I love red. Red's my favorite color. Got the red bill, white face. Definitely have to go red, white, and blue, but I can't decide right now. Let me know in the comments, guys. Should I, obviously the logo is gonna be a little bit bigger to kind of fill in that space more, but should I leave it printed like this? Because this is actually just screen printed on there, just like the shirts are, or should I get that embroidered? I really like the cheaper, just Bass Pro Shop style printed hats, and that might be what I go with first. Obviously, we're gonna go with a different design. This was flat originally, and I actually bent it a little bit just because I don't like the flat bills really. But let me know what you think. That's something we're working on, and might have to
my head.
Yeah, my head's kind of small. I hope you guys enjoyed the content today. Like I said, I'm trying to get back better about making videos. I will see you guys next time. I'm gonna film another video today. I'm finishing this video off in the morning. We're gonna start filming another one as soon as this one's over with. So stick with me, stay tuned, hit that subscribe button. I love you guys so much. As always, let's get this bread.
That's what I'm talking about.